You know, I think I could use this in my backyard because I sure have a heck of a time growing plants. Cameron, what is this Seedsheet thing?
Sure. So what you have here, it's the garden of the future. You have these dissolvable pods, a lot like a laundry pod, but instead of soap, ours have organic non-GMO seeds and a buffer of soil embedded within a weed-blocking fabric. And so that all you have to do with our garden kits is put this sheet seed side down on top of a container, whether you're growing in a small container for your windowsill or all the way out to a raised bed in your backyard. You just put it seed side down, and once you water, the pods dissolve in about 30 seconds. Then your plants will sprout and come up through the openings in their weed-blocking fabric, and you get the perfectly designed in space organic weedless garden that, starting this spring, will also send you text messages and let you know what the moisture level is like in your garden, to let you know when you need to water, thin, or fertilize, and help you grow from seed to supper.
That's really clever, and it even comes with the soil, right?
It comes with everything that you need, all in one box. So it's all encompassing.
Now, how does that thing communicate, I assume, to your phone? Is that what it does?
Yes, exactly. So right now, we currently are offering a text messaging notification. So you text the number that's on the back of the box, and it tracks your garden's growth, and then we'll let you know what to do and when to do it. And then starting this spring, this sensor is going to be available in June. And so this is going to provide another level of clarity and accuracy so that we'll know exactly how much moisture you have in your garden, whether it's getting enough light, whether it's getting within the appropriate temperature range, so that your garden will have the highest likelihood of success possible.
And how does that communicate back to your cloud? Is it Wi-Fi? What is it?
It's Bluetooth enabled. Yep, it's going to have a 6-month battery life, so you'll be able to use it throughout an entire growing season, and then get replacement batteries thereafter. And it will last on the shelf for about 2 years, so you can expect to see it in retail stores by 2020.
And one of the neat things, your sheets can be customized, right? As far as what kind of plants you have in there.
Yeah, exactly. So we start off with different recipe-inspired kits. So there's an herb garden, salad garden, taco garden, cocktail, hot sauce. But then also, you can go to our website, seedsheets.com, and then pick and choose what kind of plants that you want, and then we'll actually build that sheet and ship it to you. So we like to say we're not meal delivery, we're farm delivery.
Nice. And you guys have been around for a couple of years now, right? Why don't you tell us a little bit about that?
Yeah, so we started on Kickstarter in 2014. We launched in Home Depot in 2016 for our first gardening season actually in business. And then in 2017, we went on to Shark Tank, where we did our deal with Lori Grenier, and have since gone on to sell out of QVC, Good Morning America, and then we're going actually this spring nationwide with Aldi's grocery stores.
Oh, that's really interesting. So you'll actually be in the store in the vegetable section, I guess, or what?
Yeah, well, what's really cool about Aldi's is that it's a grocery store. It's opening up a whole new channel for us because we've been in lawn and garden traditional brick and mortar. So like now we're really getting that messaging across that this isn't just a gardening product. This is a grocery product. You're going to be getting food out of here.
That's really neat. And it's the type of thing where you can grow this in your apartment, right?
Yeah, you can grow it inside, you can grow it outside. It's really going to be dependent on how much light you have, which is why this sensor is going to be such a game changer. But if you have a south-facing window, you can definitely grow it inside, year-round, no matter where you are.
And so from a watering perspective, how do people water them? Just with a little bucket or what?
Well, so all of the kits that we sell, they actually come with a little misting nozzle that screws onto a little watering cup. So you'll get this little green nozzle that screws onto any water bottle, and then very easily you can just water your garden.
Nice. I don't know if we got that on film, but that's pretty cool.
It's real easy.
Yeah. Well, that's really good. It looks like you've come up with a complete solution for making anyone give them a green thumb.
Exactly. That's our goal. Prove that anybody can garden.
Excellent. Cameron, thank you.
Yeah, thank you guys.